Life would be ideal if it never led us astray, allowing us to effortlessly make the right choices every day. But reality is far from perfect. We all make mistakes and sometimes take actions we later regret. Stoicism, in theory, is a philosophy, but in practice it serves as a practical guide for living. The Stoics recognize that life is a complex journey filled with tests and challenges. In response, they crafted a set of enduring principles to help us navigate this journey. In this video, I will share 11 historical rules derived from Stoic philosophy that I personally follow to become the best version of myself. These rules, developed over 2,000 years ago, have been a source of guidance and inspiration for countless individuals throughout history. Join me as I explore these rules and consider how you can apply them to your own life. Rule 1. Conquer your mornings. The Stoic Emperor Marcus Aurelius knew the value of starting your day right. He understood the temptation to linger under warm sheets, but realized the importance of rising early to win the morning. A productive morning sets the tone for a successful day and ultimately a fulfilling life. Personally, I adhere to 3 practices to kickstart my mornings: journaling, physical activity, and focused work. Rule 2. Focus on what is under your control. Stoicism emphasizes directing your attention and efforts toward things you can control while letting go of those beyond your influence. This shift in perspective makes you more pragmatic and lessens the burden of needless worries. Whether in sports or life, concentrate on your actions, not external outcomes. Rule 3. Don't suffer for imaginary problems. In uncertain situations, our minds often conjure up fears and anxieties that never materialize. Seneca wisely noted that we are more scared than harmed and suffer more from our imagination than reality. Focus on the present and stay calm. Chances are, most of your imagined troubles won't occur. Rule 4. Treat success and failure. The same Marcus Aurelius likened us to unchanging rocks, unaffected by gains or losses. Both success and failure offer valuable lessons. Embrace them with gratitude, for they shape your character and guide your journey toward self-improvement. Rule 5. Do only one thing every day. This rule encourages setting and achieving daily goals. Whether you're someone with a multitude of objectives or none at all, accomplishing at least one meaningful task each day propels you toward a more purposeful life. Rule 6. Don't look for the easy way. Success is rarely attained without effort. Stoicism teaches that anything worth achieving demands hard work and discipline. Embrace the challenging path, for it builds character, teaches resilience, and leads to lasting success. Rule 7. Ask yourself if it is necessary. Evaluate the necessity of your actions and desires. Discern between what truly matters and what is frivolous. Engage in activities that align with your values and purpose, and shed the unnecessary burdens that clutter your life. Rule 8. Love your destiny. Accept that life often unfolds differently from our expectations. Rather than resisting, choose to see the positive in every situation. Your response to life's twists and turns determines your happiness. Rule 9. Talk to Death Zeno of Citium's visit to the oracle emphasized the importance of reading and gaining wisdom from those who came before us. Books allow us to converse with the great minds of history, providing invaluable guidance and perspective. Rule 10. Be hard on yourself and sympathetic to others. Hold yourself to high standards while extending understanding and compassion to others. Leading by example is a potent way to influence those around you positively. Rule 11. Remember that you die every day. Seneca's profound insight challenges us to view death as an ongoing process, urging us to live fully and embrace each moment. Recognize that time is fleeting and make the most of it. These Stoic rules may not be easy to implement, but their enduring wisdom offers a path to a more meaningful and fulfilling life.